How to add Monopoly code to McDonald's app. So let's get started. First of all, redeem your prize before the expiration date printed on the sticker. Winning pieces are only valid and redeemable during a certain time period. Once that time passes, the game pieces are invalid and cannot be used to collect prizes. Be sure to check the date or each winning piece. Confirm you are eligible before trying to claim some of the larger prizes. There are certain limitations on who can play and win at McDonald's Monopoly. For example, some prizes require you to be at least 13 years old, and vehicle and vacation prizes may require you to be at least 18 years old. Be sure to read the fine print on any documents or game pieces. If you don't meet the age requirement, ask a parent or sibling to help you. You must also be citizen of the country where you won the prize. Then, redeem instant win food prizes at participating restaurants. Take your instant win game pieces into any participating McDonald's location to redeem them before the expiration date. You do not have to make a purchase to cash in an instant win prize, but keep in mind that these prizes cannot be used with other coupons or discounts. Only one food prize may be claimed per person per visit. Claim many non food instant win prizes directly from third party prize partners. Don't bring these winning game pieces to a McDonald's restaurant to redeem them. Most prizes offered to third party sources are claimed directly from those third party sources. The winning game piece will include information to guide you, and don't worry about that. For example, Redbox prizes are claimed at Redbox location via the Redbox app or by visiting the Redbox website. Pick up instant win small cash prizes and some merch prizes in store. If the winning piece does not specify a third party prize partner, the prize can be claimed at a McDonald's restaurant or through the McDonald's website printed on the game prize. The rules for cash prizes vary each year, but typically you can claim any cash prize under a set amount. In past games, the cutoff was $500 at a McDonald's restaurant. Simply follow the email instructions to claim any prizes that you win online. If you win a prize through the online game, you will get an email with specific instructions for how to claim your prize. Your prize could be mailed to your home or you will be given other instructions. The game website will ask you to create an account to redeem a prize. How you redeem the prize depends on the prize as well. Then follow the instructions on property set pieces to claim high dollar prizes. Cash prizes over a certain amount and large merchandise prizes like cars are claimed via McDonald's prize claim website or through the toll-free number on your game pieces. Follow the instruction provided on winning pieces to claim these prizes. You will be asked to provide the code printed on the game piece, your date of birth, email address, phone number, full name, and address when you claim your prizes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.